it dries quickly. I'm gonna show you how to make your do-it-yourself hand sanitizer or homemade hand sanitizer. These are the ingredients that you need to make your do-it-yourself hand sanitizer at home or homemade hand sanitizer. So of course you need aloe vera. If you don't have an aloe vera gel, if you have a fresh plant, that will be also good. I'm using this one. I'll show you later how I take this pulp from this plant in a few sec. And this tea tree oil is a optional. I also include tea tree oil because it has the antiseptic property. And of course you need the isopropyl alcohol with 70% solution or more. So now let's get started. This one needs to put in the blender or small. Now I have to blend. So what you need is 1/4 of the aloe vera gel. A bit more because it's bubbly. Then you need a 3/4 cups of alcohol. Then my additional ingredients, I'll put like 5 to 7 drops of this tea tree oil because it has also the antiseptic property. One, two, three, four. That's it. You can also put essential oil. It's optional. Put a few drops, like about 5. 5, 6. Then just mix. Once the mixture is ready, make sure you have the container, empty container, any container that you like. I bought this at the cheapy shop and I picked any color will do. So I'll just pick the pink one. Now we'll transfer this here. All right, there we go. Now I have here my labeler, call it, and I'll just clear it. Okay, so there you go, guys. So you have now your homemade hand sanitizer. You don't need to buy now. And we'll try it. Ooh, very strong. I can smell also the tea tree oil. So you're now protected, guys, and it dries quickly. Hey guys, I hope that you learned from my tip and how to make your homemade hand sanitizer by using a fresh aloe vera plant, or you can also use aloe vera gel. So if you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and share it to your friends, and for them also to know how to make their own hand sanitizer. And if you're new to my channel and like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and please press also the notification bell for you to get notified from my new videos to come. So I hope to see you again, guys, on my next video. Till next time, bye.